Welcome to SEO Time Machines, the world's first operating system for your browser. I'm Dimitri, the creator, and today I'd like to introduce you to our screen OCR or text grabber. This is the fastest OCR software that you will find an extension anywhere, and the reason is because we process everything locally. Nothing goes off to some mysterious server somewhere. There's no API calls while you wait. If you've ever used any other OCR software from the Chrome Web Store, you're going to know that it takes between 2 to sometimes 5 to 6 or 7 seconds, depending on the size of the batch that you're doing. You're going to see that this is nearly instant. So in order to activate it, go to sidebar, press S for settings, type OCR, press space. This will open the sniper. And the first thing that you want to do is activate it. This will load the settings. Next thing you want to do is set a shortcut. I like X because it's closest to the left side of the extension. And I use S for screenshots. So all of the shortcuts I try to have on the left hand side, but obviously it's up to you. The next thing you want to do is get test these modes out and see which ones you like. But the smart paragraphs basically try and insert line breaks after sentences. So if you copy lots of sentences, this might be useful for you. If you copy lots of code, then try one of the other ones. Now remember, this is an OCR reader, which is most useful when using it in videos or grabbing text from an image. So this is when you're looking at a YouTube video, you see some text you like, you grab it quickly. That's what it's for. We do have another way to copy text, which is, I'll show you the difference between them. So here I've set up a little OCR test page just to show you the difference. You're going to see that, just refresh it, you're going to see on this one that the contrast is only 10%. And if I load it, you're going to see that already it's done. If I go here to notes, you can see that it's copied it perfectly. There is one more setting which I kind of like to have on, which is when you turn this on, there is an option here. Let me just we do have over 150 settings, so it's really worth using the search bar here. We do have a shutter sound as well. It's just like a cool little clicking sound, kind of like an old school camera, just to let you know that the shot has been taken or that the text has been taken. This is 10% on a light screen. You can test that as well. And you can see that copy, you didn't see it, but that copies perfectly as well. Here we have some really small text. So I'll just show you. And if you ever use this, I mean, this is instant. It's all ready to go. You basically copy it, switch somewhere, and it's pasted. If you've tried other OCR extensions, they are not like this. You'll see code because it's not really broken into sentences, and dots and full stops come in weird places. The smart paragraph might not be for you, so just test how it does there. But you can see, for example, with mixed content like that, where there is some really small copy and some really large text, it does a really good job as well. It gets it perfectly. It just doesn't necessarily break it up the way that it is on the page. So test your use case, try different scenarios, and see which one works best for you. Now, to show you how to copy instantly, just by the way, to show you this is obviously an image. So to show you that it works like this, you can grab that and see here that it is working perfectly like that as well. By the way, this is something called OmniNotes, which is another part of our productivity suite. It's a complete Kanban and writing software that has a lot of shortcuts, HTML, Markdown. It's also a converter. So look out for that video if you want to have a look at that. But yeah, this is just to show you that it works really well on text. Let's try this one. So you can see all kinds of scenarios works really well. But if you have text on a page, there's actually a better way, which is the click to copy shortcut. And you can see with this, I can just simply click and it's truly instant. It's copied all of the text with one click. So if you are looking for copying this way, or you can do one line at a time. But if you're looking for copying that way, look out for the click to copy video. But if you want to grab screenshots from YouTube or from images, then the OCR text reader from SEO Time Machines is the fastest one out there. Enjoy.